What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Remedy. You already know. Welcome back to the channel, Remedi.T.V. I appreciate y'all for being here, per usual. You know what I'm saying? Today we got 8 very terrifying and disturbing things caught on doorbell cameras. And you know how we do. We love the creepy shit. You feel me? Go ahead and get you your hydration station. You know what I'm saying? Stay hydrated throughout the stream or throughout the video, because I'm not streaming right now. But you know how we do, man. If you woke up today, you feeling a little under par, you know what I'm saying, emotionally, mentally, whatever it may be, call somebody, man. Call a close friend, a close family member. Express yourself. Let them know how you feel. Sometimes all it takes to get that weight up off our shoulders is just tell somebody. You feel me? It just makes you feel a lot better sometimes. You know, a lot of us don't like to talk, but fuck that, man. Let it out. Word. If you ain't got nobody to talk to, man, come to the channel and talk to me. I tell y'all every single time. But all right, let's go ahead and get right into this thing. Oh, hell no. This nigga been doing drugs since he was in the womb. That nigga came out the womb, perk in hand. I ain't even lying to you. The only thing this nigga didn't do in life was smoke weed. Cause if he did, he wouldn't be leaning over that banister like a fucking cat. Damn. That's fucked up.
On November 30th, 2021, a woman in Dallas posted footage of a man standing outside her apartment door late at night. This incident, which was captured by her Ring doorbell camera, raised...
He look like a little ass kid. He like he about to ding dong ditch and shit. Man, yo, get your ass out of here. Hell no. He look like he's stuck in the 90s too. Look at that outfit. Hell no.
significant concerns as the man had been stalking her and standing outside her door almost every night. She stated that she has contacted the police about this problem she's been dealing with since October 31st, but according to her, not much was done from the authorities to keep this man away. Here is what she recorded.
Why the fuck he's standing there like that? He looked like the mannequin in the store that everybody passes by and don't even look at. You know, it'd be the mannequins in the store that like they be having some drip. You feel me? So you might stop. You be like, oh, what's that right there? You might go look for it in the store. Yeah, he the mannequin that everybody just skips. See, he drunk as hell. That's why y'all gotta be careful drinking, man. I drink a little bit too, you feel me? But like niggas be drinking and doing dumb shit like this. Like if you get so drunk you standing outside of a stranger's house thinking it's your ex, you got a problem, bro. He probably in his mind, he probably thinking, damn, he think his ex-girlfriend lived there and he want to sing Chris Brown to her and shit. He like, hold on, I need her to open the door first. But damn, she ain't gonna open the door if I'm just standing out here looking like a creep. Not even realizing the whole time it's not his ex-girl house. Weird ass nigga.
In the videos that are shown, the man just stands there while occasionally talking to himself. At one point, you can see a beer in his hand before he walks away. Minutes later, he returns to the door stumbling, seemingly drunk. He then grabs the door handle in an attempt to enter the woman's apartment.
Nigga dancing and shit.
Dentures versus Nuvia's permanent teeth in only 24 hours.
Do you think you could break these?
On December the 2nd, she posted an update stating that she is now safe and that security guards of the apartment are regularly patrolling the halls, making sure she's okay. This next video captures the shocking incident involving a middle-aged Asian couple targeted in what appears to be a follow-home style robbery by a masked man wielding a gun. This alarming event took place in southern Seattle, Washington. The footage was initially shared on Reddit by user Wilmock. Here's what their Ring camera captured.
Oh shit. Close the door already? Look. See, your dumb ass caught. Uh-huh. Yep. Your dumb ass is caught. Yeah. Bless. Yep, cops. Yep, cops on the way already. Why y'all be doing dumb shit like this? Like it's not the 70s and the 80s no more, bro. Like there's cameras everywhere. Y'all niggas be running up on people's houses like everybody ain't got a fucking door camera. For real. Like, nigga, you got the gun literally on the camera. I could tell what it is right now. Like, nigga, I see the serial number on that bitch. Y'all niggas be doing the goofiest shit. And then you try to rob a little Asian couple. Them niggas don't be bothering nobody. What the fuck they do to you? Weird ass nigga. Then your dumb ass got locked out. She hit you with the swiftest motherfucking reverse counter, nigga. She said, husband like, what was that? She's like, oh, nothing, honey. Come on. Trying to break the camera.
The woman noticed the
Nigga trying to break the camera. It's too late. You done got caught already. You on camera trying to break the camera. Everything is recorded, bro. Just because you break the camera don't mean that the video gets deleted. You niggas be... See, man. It's a different era for real. You got world's dumbest criminals running out there.
intruder just in time and swiftly locked the door, preventing him from entering the home. Shortly afterward, the man noticed the Ring camera and began to destroy it. To make matters even more frightening, just before the camera cut off, it revealed that the intruder was not acting alone.
Oh shit, he got backup.
Shortly after the video was posted, it quickly garnered attention with numerous Reddit users. They pointed out a disturbing pattern of a string of similar robberies occurring in the area. These concerns were later substantiated by local news outlets in Seattle.
This video shows one of the crimes that were part of a frightening spree last year across South Seattle.
Oh shit.
Tonight, 2 men accused of taking part in these robberies.
They hit this nigga with a taser? Nigga, was that Thor? What the fuck happened to him? It didn't look like they shoot him. It didn't look like they shot him. What the fuck was that? Hold on.
Shows one of the crimes that were part of a frightening spree last year across South Seattle. Tonight, 2 men accused of taking part in these robberies now face hate crime charges. Thursday, King County prosecutors charged Chavez Tubbs.
Damn, hate crime is crazy. I don't think they robbed him because he was Asian. I don't know about that one. I mean, I maybe, I don't know. These niggas is retarded though, bro. Every house you running up on got a doorbell camera. You're caught.
And DeMarcus Pate say the two targeted Asian households and in some cases forced their way in while identifying themselves as Seattle police.
This next incident occurred on May 8, 2022 in Houston, Texas, when a man identified as 29-year-old Joshua Deloach enters the house and confronts his roommate Justin Iwuji with a weapon.
Yep, that nigga done stole his cereal. You know how it be. You know how it be when you roommate with somebody and y'all both go food shopping together and your roommate, like, he eat all his shit before you do. So then he go in and take your snacks and shit. You be like, you come home and your fucking honey buns and shit be missing. You like, bro, did you eat my honey buns? He like, yeah, nigga, I was hungry, bro. I'm just been sitting up there for like a week. Like, bro, those are my honey buns. I eat them like once every couple of days. I don't eat a lot of sugar like that. He like, nah, bro, I'm just saying, like, I was hungry, bro. My fault. I'll get you some new ones. And then nigga never get you no new ones. Yeah, bro. That's what happened here. Nigga stole his Fruity Pebbles.
On your knees. Bro. On your knees now. On your knees. Bro. On your knees. What's the issue? I'm not gonna say it one more time. Bro, what's the issue? On your knees now. What's the issue? I'm not.
He ain't gonna do nothing. He ain't gonna do nothing. Nigga said, I ain't gonna say it one more time. I would have shot a warning shot or something. Let him know you serious. That nigga said, get on your knees. He ain't scared of you, bro. He's not scared of you. He's not scared of you. He know if you put that gun down, he probably gonna punch your fucking lights out. Yeah. He's not scared of you, bro. You may as well just move out.
What's the issue? On your knees now. What's the issue? What's the issue? You be quiet.
Immediately after this incident, Joshua DeLoach stole $6,000 in jewelry from his roommate and then proceeded to tie him up and forced him in the trunk of his own car.
This morning, a man charged with robbing and kidnapping his own roommate finally arrested.
A wild story, and this man is now expected in court coming up this morning. 29-year-old Joshua DeLoach seen here in this surveillance home video, accused of pointing a gun at his roommate earlier this month when he was asked to pay his rent or get out. He allegedly stole $6,000 and jewelry from his roommate, then tied up his roommate and put him in the trunk of his own car.
Luckily, Justin managed to escape with the help of a bystander. Joshua DeLoach was arrested about 2 weeks later, on May 20th of that year.
2 weeks? It took 2 weeks to find this nigga? Damn. They had his face in 46K. And took them 2 weeks to find this nigga. Ain't that about a bitch?
Late one night in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, a woman named Savannah captured something absolutely terrifying on her Ring camera. At around 10:20 p.m., a man appeared at her front door. He began violently slamming his body against the woman's door, trying to force his way inside. After several attempts, the man stumbled back and fell over the porch railing. Terrified, the woman calls the police. Here's what happened.
Why this nigga look like that, bro? He look like a zombie. I mean, then again, bro, if you ever been to Myrtle Beach, I don't know if y'all, you know what I'm saying, any of y'all from the Carolinas and shit, but if you ever been to Myrtle Beach, you know, like, it's straight zombie city out there. Straight zombie city. I remember one night I was out that motherfucker. This was some years ago too, man. I was out there with my mom, my step pops, my brothers and shit. You know what I'm saying? We having a good old time. I'm out there on the beach. It's kind of late. It's like 11 o'clock at night. I'm walking back to the hotel and shit, and it's this random girl, right? This random girl started talking to me out of nowhere. And at first I was like kind of weirded out, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, it's kind of feel like a setup, you know what I mean? It's weird when random girls talk to you shit. But we at the beach, you feel me? So I'm like, maybe she, maybe she's trying to holler at me or something. But she talked to me for a little bit. I forgot what she was saying. She walked with me. Bro, like after like 5 minutes walking, this car pull up beside us, bro. It was like 2 or 3 cars pull up beside us. Nigga, it was like, nigga, it had to be like 15 people hopped out of them cars, bro. Them 3 cars. It was a bunch of women and like a couple niggas too. And I'm like, the fuck? You know what I'm saying? So, I you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? I start, you know what I'm saying? I start clutching and shit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like paying attention to where everybody going. And she looks at them, and one of the girls just walk up to her, bro. Just hit her ass. Out of nowhere, like a bunch of the girls just started jumping her. The niggas was just standing there watching and shit. And I'm just looking like, what the hell going on? I wasn't gonna help her. I ain't know her. You know what I'm saying? Like, and then I felt like, man, you was trying to get help or something. Like, you could have got me fucked up. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even got shit to do with this. What if them niggas would have hopped out and tried to do something to me? Because I'm with you. They think I'm your boyfriend or some shit. Like, hell no. But yeah, man, Myrtle Beach is crazy, man. Myrtle Beach is crazy. They got a lot of crackheads out there and shit. It kind of went down over the years. It used to be lit, but you got niggas like this that's out there, so.
Police, here's what happened.
Now you know you shouldn't be trying to break in nobody's house if you're gonna knock yourself out. This nigga hit the door 3 times and passed out. Nigga, whatever you on is not crack. This nigga on fentanyl or something. Nigga, crack, a crackhead would have broke that door in one hit. It would have been over with. That nigga would have been running through your house butt ass naked and threw your bra on and jumped out the window or some shit. Yeah, he ain't on no strong shit. He on some shit that just make you do dumb shit. Yeah, no, I don't know. This nigga linked over the banister like a anaconda or some shit. This nigga shit folded, bro. Dumbass nigga.
You might know Harbor Freight for affordability. What you might not know, performance and durability.
The Myrtle Beach Police Department reported that the officers took the man to the hospital for treatment and was later arrested. It's quite obvious the man was under the influence of drugs or was possibly having some sort of manic episode. Either way, this would have been terrifying to experience. This next video shows a bizarre moment that occurred in January.
What the fuck? Man, tell me this nigga don't look like a human koala. Imagine you look through your peephole and you see some shit like this, bro. Nigga look like the grumpy old troll under the bridge. Bro, look at his eyebrows, bro. Bro, this nigga got the face of Satan, bro. Look at this nigga, bro. His hairline all fucked up. Bro, why is his nose shaped like that, bro? This nigga look like he could smell every molecule in your body. Fuck no. Hell no. This nigga look like a monkey koala.
2019 in the city of Salinas, California. The man, identified as Roberto Daniel Arroyo, was recorded by a Ring doorbell camera as he spent several hours in the early morning licking the doorbell of a family's home.
Ooh! This freaky deaky ass nigga. You licking doorbell cameras and shit? You licking, bro. Oh yeah, bro. He got hepatitis 86 in his mouth, bro. Nuh-uh. You know how many fingers done been on that door, nigga? Or on that bell? He don't even care either. This nigga, bro. That's nasty, bro. That shit is nasty, bro. I don't care. This nigga, bro. Never trust a nigga with a furry ass hairline like that.
The homeowners who were not at home at the time were alerted to the unusual activity through the Ring system's motion detection feature. Here's what it recorded.
Oh, she over there touching this shit too.
Were alerted to the unusual activity through the Ring system's motion detection feature.
Why you touching it? Why you touching it, bro? She need to wash her damn hands. She finna get syphigonia or some shit. Crazy ass.
Here's what it recorded.
He licking that bitch like a nipple. Nigga, he think he's sucking on some nips, nigga. He must be dreaming. He's sleepwalking. He gotta be sleepwalking. What the fuck? Bro, why they got this shit on the screen for so long? Bro, get this shit off the screen!
The Salinas Police Department used the video evidence to identify a...
They did not have to show that whole clip like that. We got the picture from the beginning. You ain't have to keep that shit on the screen that long. Just a 3-minute video of this nigga sucking doorbell ringers and shit. This weird ass nigga. Yeah, he a demon, bro. He's a demon for sure, for sure. Ain't no doubt about that. Nigga over there sucking hand juice off the doorbell ringer. The fuck?
Arroyo, who has been cited by the department in the past. Arroyo faced misdemeanor charges related to prowling and theft. But the primary concern for many was the clear need for mental health intervention given the nature of his actions. This is truly disturbing.
He don't need mental health help. That nigga needs jail. Straight up. Word to my moms, he need jail. Ain't nothing gonna justify that, nigga. Now, you know what I'm saying? You done seen crazy niggas do crazy shit, like peeing in the middle of nowhere and shit, taking a shit on the sidewalk. I ain't never seen nobody licking fucking fingernail flakes off of a fucking door ringer, bro. I never seen no shit like that, bro. Hell no.
This next video shows a man peering in the window of a 22-year-old model from Florida. She installed a Ring camera on her front door and shortly after caught footage of the stalker creeping around her house. The man appeared minutes after she arrived home, indicating he was likely following her.
They probably inside looking at this nigga right through the window like, what the fuck is your dumb ass doing? You see how bright that light is, bro? Like, I can see you. I can literally see you.
Despite repeated reports to the police, no action was taken, and the stalker returned a week later. Feeling unsafe, the woman has since moved away from the area.
Huh?
This next video shows the terrifying moment a man broke into a family's home. The man, later identified as Jonathan Gonzalez, entered the home while a mother and her baby were...
He done did that shit like 6 times before. Look at him. He don't even look disappointed. He look like he thinking about the next time he's gonna do it again. He look like, yeah, I done got caught 6 times for this already. They're just gonna let me out in about a week. And then I'm just go right back to breaking into people's homes and staring at their babies sleep. It's fucking weird ass people, bro.
were asleep. The home security camera recorded him quietly moving around the bedroom before approaching the sleeping woman and behaving inappropriately.
What's all that shit on the ground? See, got a bunch of white shit everywhere, sheets and pillows and shit. I guess those baby blankets or something. Like, what you need all of them sheets and pillows and shit on the floor for? That dirty ass house. That's like a crime scene, damn near. I mean, I guess it is technically. Where's she at? In the corner over there? Oh, I see the bed now.
Police identified Gonzalez, who was a former friend of the family, as a suspect early on, but lacked solid evidence until they conducted a search of his home. They found clothing matching what was seen in the footage and digital evidence placing him at the scene. This case was so disturbing it garnered widespread media coverage.
Oh, I get it. He one of them clothing booty bandits. You feel me? That nigga, he be stealing women's bras and sniffing it and shit. That's what he be doing. I get it. I get it. Weird ass nigga.
Ads are everywhere, but they don't have to be.
It's called Pi, and if that sounds familiar to you, it's probably because you've seen it.
In this video, you can see a strange man sneaking up to the ground floor window of a 24-year-old woman's duplex in Hudson, Wisconsin. The footage, captured by a doorbell camera, shows the strange man getting extremely close to the window as he peers through the woman's blinds. This occurred on at least 3 separate nights before his arrest. The women that lived here only noticed something suspicious was happening because of the footprints the man left in the snow that led to their window.
People really be dumb as hell. People really be dumb as hell. I'm looking at the snow like, now you know damn well they gonna have your tracks. And you on the doorbell camera. Tiptoe. That's what he looked like. He look like he don't even want to be doing this. Like, what are you doing? He looked cold as a bitch. He's shivering, boots shaking. I just don't be understanding, bro. What's the point of this?
The man in the video, who was later identified as Robert Cecina, was the executive president of the 3M company at the time.
An executive at 3M is accused of stalking a woman and peeping in her home's windows.
This case started when the victims opened their blinds and saw footprints in the snow by the ground level windows. Then they put up a video camera that caught the man returning.
Hudson police responded when a neighbor saw a man outside the home who looked just like the person in the video, which was captured and circulated among neighbors the night before. Police say they traced the vehicle leaving the scene to Cessna, and in the criminal complaint, write that Robert looked exactly like the person in their surveillance camera footage, especially his hairline.
What hairline? Oh, that's crazy. He's nothing but forehead, bro. How is 45% of your face forehead, bro? Like, why his face shaped like that, bro? It's shaped like a big toe. This nigga nose take up 20%. Ain't got no lips. The nigga ain't even got a neck, bro.
Cessna denied it was him, but police say his story conflicts with his wife's story about what they did that night. According to police, several neighborhood witnesses helped them identify Cessna and his vehicle. Prosecutors charged Cecina with felony stalking. 4 women, including a teenage girl, were living inside. But rather than take the case to trial, the St. Croix County District Attorney offered a plea deal that will likely leave Cecina with a clean criminal record. The stalking charge is dropped, and instead, less serious misdemeanor trespassing and disorderly conduct charges added.
To the crime of disorderly conduct.
You just gotta be rich and white and get away with crimes. That shit don't make no sense. This nigga a whole rapist and a pedophile, clearly. And y'all just gonna willingly give this nigga a plea deal? Never trust a nigga whose face is 45% forehead, bro. Just remember that, bro. Look at his lawyer too. His lawyer look like his fucking brother. That nigga done stole all his hair. He got the forehead, his brother got the hair. Insanity.
Conduct. Count 2, what is your plea?
No contest. Cecina pleaded no contest, meaning he admits there's enough evidence to convict him, but a conviction won't go on his record unless he reoffends in the next 3 years.
Disappointed.
This mother and 16-year-old daughter live in that home and say despite this not being a serious crime in the eyes of the law, it's had a very serious impact on them.
I'm a lot more jumpy.
You look under your car, around your car, at the corner side of your house before you go in. We carry mace.
They're also upset the court process didn't reveal Cecina's motivation.
Cecina technically is not on probation. He's going to be monitored by the St. Croix County District Attorney's Office. And again, they will dismiss the charges if he goes 3 years without reoffending.
This nigga must have had Young Thug lawyer or something, bro. Because ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way.
Why?
Man. I think that's the end of this video. I can't believe that shit. I feel bad for them women. For that lady and her daughter, because that's some fuck shit. Like, you really just cannot trust the justice system nowadays. Unfucking fathomable. But alright, man, that's going to be the end of this video. I appreciate y'all. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Come back for the next one. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Y'all take it easy. Peace.